One of the key findings of the lack of participation of ethnic minorities in clinical trials that we, I think, have contributed to make is that ethnic minorities are seen in clinical care, routine clinical care, by minority physicians. These minority physicians establish a very strong bond with these patients. We've created a network of these physicians, and we have actually sponsored many of them and trained many of them so that they actually have become very good investigators. And we use them in our clinical trials. And when you do that, you know, there might be issues of trust, there might be issues of, a lot of questions about, what this clinical trial is all about. The trust bond with the physician tends to bridge all those questions and doubts that the patients may have, so that they are more than willing to participate in these studies. And in doing so, we have been able to bring in a very significant group of ethnic minorities to clinical trials. I can give you a specific example in type 2 diabetes, which is a very important disease in ethnic minorities. The traditional site in the United States that participates in these type 2 diabetes studies enrolls mostly non-Hispanic white patients, mostly males. And the rate of enrollment tends to be, if you ask all the big pharmaceutical companies working in this therapeutic area, they will tell you they enroll 0.2 to 0.3 patients per site per month, consistently. And that's considered a very good rate of enrollment. What we have seen with our investigators is that they enroll even at a faster pace. And to be honest, I had not anticipated that. I knew that they could do at the same level of quality and speed, but not even faster or better. And what we have found is they enroll at about 0.7 patients per site per month. So that's about 3 times faster. And if you look at, you could say, okay, so they're enrolling very fast, but is the quality there? Well, what we have paid a lot of attention to quality. And what we have found is that it's not only speed of enrollment, but frankly is also compliance with the treatments that are being investigated, and also retention during the entire duration of the clinical trial. So this is really good news, because this is happening at a time when the FDA, when the NIH, and many other institutions are beginning to pay more and more attention to this topic. Not only because it's the right thing to do, but because frankly, it is an important aspect of how you personalize medical treatments for the appropriate populations of patients. So they are beginning to enforce and request that sponsors deliver these populations of patients in a more balanced manner. And we're doing it now, and we have, I think, proven that this can be done successfully at a very high level of quality.